it's my anniversary today. So today we're actually going to go and bum on the beach because yesterday Venkat just couldn't stay put and he wanted to roam around quite a bit, and that we did. So today we're finally going to go sit on Ashram Beach. First we're going to go have breakfast at this really cute place called Thirsty Bear where you get waffles and stuff. We had gone there the night that we landed here and we were really tired, so we went there for dessert and we're going to go there for breakfast. I'm so excited. I'll see you there. There is so much to have over here, and Venki, what are you going to have? We are hungry people, so we don't eat breakfast, we don't eat this. We go straight for this, and I'm getting the veggie love burger, and Venki is getting the spicy paneer burger because Venki is a cute little copycat. And ice cream kar do.
Vanilla ice cream.
Venki, you want Nutella and ice cream, or you want only anything?
You could just hold on.
Nutella and ice cream on a waffle?
No ice cream.
You know ice cream, why? Okay, ठीक है, ये वाला कर दो, Nutella and ice cream. Look at the waffles, you guys. These are amazing. Look so good. That's Nutella and ice cream and here are the beach scenes. Husband still working. Goa still going. And IKEA just lazing. So we're walking to find better lunch because we went for a swim right there, and I'm eating my anniversary marshmallow. That sounds so wrong. Since our morning thing that we just got one thing to have and some juice, so we can do that, and then we'll probably go for another swim. I don't know. What are we going to do after that? We're great planners, huh? We plan really well. I'm so tan, like all I'm wearing is lipstick. Look at my face. It's all sandy, but I'm really happy. Our food is here. We're just going to have some lasagna because we are both quite stuffed from morning, and then we'll see what we're going to have next. Hi guys, so it's our anniversary evening now, and I'm looking at Venki if you think who I'm looking at because he's eating. And right behind me you can see the beach. We went for a swim. We went for 2-3 swims actually, and then we went for a nice walk, and it was a lot of fun. And now we've worked up an appetite, and I'm rubbing my belly, you can't see it. And we worked up an appetite and we've come for food. We just thought we'd have some snacks and some coffee, but then he might have over ordered as usual, and then we are still going to have dinner tonight because we have like plans for like what we're going to eat. And right now we are at the Marbella Beach Resort, which is really nice. We came here even yesterday and it was really pretty. It's all white on the white sand beach over here and it's so pretty. And my battery is going to die, so I'll just show you what I'm eating quick. We got the potato skins, loaded potato skins, and we finally got a pizza. We got the farm fresh pizza, which looks amazing. And we got some watermelon feta cheese sandwich, and we got some pesto pasta because we're sort of done with Alfredo sauce but not with pasta yet. Bought a lot of chick flick stuff. This I got the last night in the Chateau Marmont. I don't know how you even say this. This is from the same The Devil Wears Prada thing, whatever. And I got a lot from Sophie Kinsella. I got Remember Me because I have always wanted to read this book. This is so cute. I love it. I'm just dying to read this one. And I just got a lot of easy reading stuff. Then I got Sophie Kinsella's 20s Girl, and then the last book I got is I got some Nora Roberts, Christmas Magic, and I got another book from Sophie Kinsella. I got Shopaholic and the Baby because I love the Shopaholic series and I haven't read Shopaholic and the Baby, and it's packed in my bag over here. I think I'll do a what do I have in my beach bag also. I'm just going to put this in and I'm going to put a lot of other things in. So I have my camera case. I have obviously my sunscreen that I just put in. We have our sunglasses over here, Venky's and mine, and we have my normal reading glasses. Then I have my old reading glasses thing, and this is like my basically my makeup thing. I lost my old reading glasses, so I just have my eyebrow stuff that I need to, you know, fix my eyebrows. I have some mascara and some lipstick because that's all I need makeup wise. And it's so difficult to do this with one hand. And then some wipes and my phone and some body splash, which I didn't like at all, but I'm just going to use it up over here, and some toner facial spray so I can just keep refreshing my face on the beach. Oh my god, I have some Venkat's phone charger. I finally found my blush brush, and I'll probably find my blush also over here. I was carrying my blush because, you know, it was my anniversary yesterday and I just wanted to refresh my makeup where we were outside. Oh my, can't find my blush. Just found the brush. Can't do it. Brush goes out as well. This is the book that I have that I'm reading right now. It's Sophie Kinsella's Shopaholic and the Baby. Shopaholic and Baby. And phone chargers, camera chargers, laptop charger, some pamphlets about Goa, Venky's book, Venky's like study material, whatever. And oh my god, over here I have my laptop just so that I can transfer things in my laptop. So I'll take you guys around, and whatever I'm doing is going to be a surprise for you guys too. The first day I was over here, I couldn't even vlog much because it was too much of a surprise, to be honest. Today I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but let's see, because it's all going to be a surprise for even me because I have no idea what we're going to be doing. It's very difficult to be vlogging, but I'll still try to put in a few snippets here and there. So, you know where we are right now, apparently they had made breakfast for us, but then we got so late because last night, even though we were just bumming on the beach and actually doing nothing, the ride was really far off. So by the time we came back, we were so tired. I think we woke up really late, so we missed our breakfast. So we are probably just going to go to Thirsty Bear and have some waffles, which I'm actually excited about. So it's like a blessing in disguise. Yeah, I actually put on some blush right now. I'm wearing this Leaks blush in rose gold because it looks so good with a tan. Not that I wasn't tan earlier. I mean, I have tan skin, but it looks really nice and glowy with like a hint of pink, which I'm really liking. Nowadays, I don't really feel like I need a lot of blush, which I used to when I was younger. But yeah. We are right opposite the Mandavi River, where you can see all these casinos over there, and we had gone to that casino, where we lost everything. We came back. So yeah. Cutest little thing I've ever seen, and I just had to have it just because. Is it good? This boy and his grape juice. He's been wanting and obsessing over grape juice for so long, and he finally got some canned grape juice, and it looks really bad, so I don't know if he likes it or not. He's pretending to like it though. Just look at that. It looks so gross. I don't even know if I can have it. Should I have it? Not bad at all, but it's still a little weird and a little slimy. Those weird balls. They're like grape seed or something. Is that grape seed? Venki, what is that?
Basil seed.
What seed?
Basil.
Basil seed? What's basil seed doing in grape juice? That sounds nice. So we just went to Newton's, which is right behind me, and now we are going to Baga, I guess. I'm not sure, but the damage is done. We've actually done a lot of alcohol shopping, and I'll show you what we got when we go home. Mario's gallery, which is right behind me, and just look at these really cute figurines that he has. These life-size dolls, they're so cute. Mario is apparently an artist, and in this gallery he has a lot of his work, which is so cute. We just got one of his things, and I love it. I'll go. We've just come to this place called La Pub for lunch. It's in Baga, I guess. I'm waiting for Venki, who's gone to park. Again, we went to Baga for a bit because Venkat wanted to see what the hype was all about, and after he saw, we came back. We had lunch somewhere over there, which I vlogged a little because my battery symbol's flashing, so I don't think I'll be able to vlog for the rest of the day because my battery is already flashing. And yeah, I am at Candolim, which is definitely one of the cleaner ones and nicer ones in North Goa, and hopefully tomorrow we're going to head south and have a lot of fun there. to this place called the Jambalaya, and we've come here for dinner because we are still a little hungry.